entire Philippines. And with that, we are very thankful for our City Nutrition Council and of course, under the leadership of our very own active and supportive City Mayor. Let's give a round of applause for Mayor Jose. Let's give a ring off.
Our young, dynamic, multi-awarded City Mayor of the City of Tanay.
Yes, actually, just like what Mayor Pepe said a while ago, Tanay City actually received its awards during the Grand Nutrition Award ceremony in Cebu City. This year, we had the Green Banner Seal of Compliance, and of course, our active City Nutrition Action Officer, Ms. Stephanie Reyes, was nominated as one of the best CNOWs in the entire Region 7. So definitely a lot to celebrate, right, Ms. Iris?
Indeed. And the seal of compliance for the Green Banner Award is one of the most hardest award to have. So again, kudos to our Tanay City Nutrition Council for a job well done under our very supportive Mayor, Honorable Jose Pepe Tiernino. At the Salamat sa masipag pakpak. They deserve it, of course. And this pageant with this queen is founded also by the City of Tanay since
2016.
yes, and this is the first on the archipelago. So again, kudos to Tanay City.
Yes, actually, just a quick information and trivia, Ms. Iris. Police Queens and Tanay started in the year 2016, but it was temporarily put on hold during the pandemic. But now, it is back greater and grander than ever. And of course, the million-dollar question is, Tanay City, are you